All right, so let's jump into AMC, Bitcoin, and Doge community all circling around one place. My name is Paul Barron. Welcome back to Tech Path.
I'm Lisa Francoeur.
What do you think about this?
Co-hosting, doing the thing. I mean, listen, you know what? It's a good day for crypto. The more merchants that are accepting crypto, would I, Paul, spend, my Bitcoin, my Satoshis on a movie ticket?
Not
Absolutely not.
Yeah,
But hey, to each his own.
All right, well, here it goes. But can I pay in Dogecoin? This is basically how crypto Twitter is reacting to the news of AMC predicting or accepting a Bitcoin. Again, and I'll have a chart for you to talk about AMC because I think there is a little bit of behind the scenes here on what they're trying to do. Crypto has become, and Bitcoin especially, has become a marketing tool for companies.
It's sexy.
If they just put it out that they're just saying, hey, we're gonna accept Bitcoin or a particular meme coin, then all of a sudden you get this massive rush of press. I mean, here you go with where we are right now.
Where's the sentiment analysis now?
Yeah.
And the amplification score, because I guarantee you there's going to be a lot of conversation
it's going to go crazy,
around this.
yeah. So here's what they said. They said, we're going to offer Bitcoin as payment for movie tickets. Not a chance. And then here are the tweets. Now, this one was interesting.
This guy.
All right? He's back in. He's
the
back.
market maker himself, Mr. Elon Musk, saying, but can I pay in Doge?
Yeah, there he goes.
Agreed.
He just wants to stir the pot.
But the truth is that, like, when you think about where Dogecoin is being accepted as payment, you've got the Mavericks.
Entertainment.
Exactly. Yeah. And so I kind of see the rationale in having that coin be the coin of choice, so to speak, in this capacity. But Bitcoin, Satoshis, no thank you.
Yeah.
Not me.
Well, here's some more tweets. So David Goldstein, I'm surprised though that AMC didn't say Doge,
right?
Because that just made sense. People would spend that, I think.
But this is what I was saying as well. To finish off, Goldstein's. Ooh, I butchered that name. Sorry about that, sir. But to finish up the quote, I mean, he said that
still brings
Bitcoin
adoption.
Still brings. This brings adoption, which is what the point that I made earlier is. And when you start seeing merchants accepting crypto, that's an indication, again, it's not going anywhere because it's so entrenched, which I like.
Yeah.
I'm a crypto enthusiast. If you are too, I want to see it in the comments.
Yeah, just so you understand where this is going in terms of sentiment. So this was Andrew Sorkin. Can't wait to use Bitcoin for buy my Bitcoin or for my movie tickets. Said nobody.
Yep.
Said nobody.
There you have it. +1.
So I don't know. Is this a good thing for AMC or a bad thing?
I mean, listen. I think that with what transpired, the WallStreetBets community, this is a conversation starter, and they want to stay relevant. They want to continue to ride the momentum. So I mean, I can't say that it's a bad thing per se. But from an implementation standpoint, let's see if they get it done.
Yeah. I think the one aspect you hit on it, Lisa, was that this is really about acceptance and awareness because there are a handful of people that just got out from under that rock and have discovered crypto has taken over.
Share our videos with them to get them
caught up. It's like Encino Man.
Exactly right.
You just watch movies.
The troglodytes, the cavemen and women out there.
There you go. Tyler Winklevoss. So you got Tyler Winklevoss and Pomp both going, yay, hey, this is a big thing. I mean, these guys are forever marketers.
Yeah, like the Winklevoss twins, they made their billions. Kudos, nothing but respect. But let's see them spend their Satoshis
on that.
Tickets.
Right. Not a chance.
To the movies.
Let's talk about the chart, and that is where AMC is. Let's take a look quickly. You got a sentiment of 43.11. We scored this on July 29th, all the way down to its basement, which may have been the indicator for people start talking around August 5th and going, hey, what can we do? What can we do?
Yep.
The stock is falling through the floor. We're at 30.81. This is one of the lowest amplification scores we've scored in a while.
People aren't going to the movies.
During that period of time.
It's the pandemic. I mean, the reality is that their business model wasn't, or they haven't been able to calibrate to the new world that we're living in. And, unfortunately, the circumstances are preventing people from doing normal activities like go to the movies.
Yeah.
So
the only difference with this data was when we spun it to Bitcoin-related sentiment only. Now, when you took away all the sentiment was just general movie watching and all that kind of stuff and just got into cryptocurrency, around AMC. Sentiment jumped up to 5903, subset of this data.
Yep.
5903, amplification scored at about 4908. Now you're getting respectable. And if you kind of look at where this kind of flows, again, this is not a crypto chart, this is a stock chart.
Right.
So you're seeing a little bit of underpinning right here, a little bit of action right here, most likely I'm thinking from the Reddit community in terms of where that action is pointing. But the point is that right here is where we looked at that data and where it might be going. Now, could AMC bounce out from this and hit the $40 mark, which is kind of back to their all-time high around 47? That's going to be a question. I think they need to drop the other shoe, and that is just simply say, oh, by the way, we made a mistake. It's really Doge that we're accepting.
But you know what, though? I will say that in adopting Bitcoin as payment, the fact is that Bitcoin is an appreciating asset. And so if you can have Bitcoin on your balance sheets, that, from a valuation standpoint, will increase your valuation if you're able to get...
Who is going to spend
Listen,
Bitcoin?
I mean, stranger things have happened, Paul, like Dogecoin being the third coin as far as...
Doge, yes.
Yeah, Dogecoin being in terms of market cap.
For sure.
After Ethereum.
Okay.
So I'm just
but
saying,
you would spend Doge, but not Bitcoin.
No, exactly. It wouldn't be a consideration.
Right.
But for the newbies out there that don't realize that, your Bitcoin is worth way more.
Yeah, not a chance.
I mean,
not a chance. So I think we can say this without reservation: do not spend your Bitcoin on a movie ticket.
No, thank you.
Yeah. But hey, if you've got some Dogecoin out there,
# no judgment.
Let's move it. You guys can use it. I think Doge has got a definite opportunity for transactions.
100%.
In terms of where it could go. Obviously, we need some development in that area for sure. But anyway.
Who would have thought a meme coin would be where it is? But hey,
all you AMC people,
all bets off the table.
All you Reddit guys, people, make sure and leave us some comments below. We'd love to get your feedback. Yeah.
Diamond hands, Bitcoin, diamond hands.
If you're listening on the podcast, this was a short one. That's okay. Join us on the rest of the shows. You can jump over to YouTube right now. Just go to Paul Barron Network. And it's real easy to find us. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we'd love to hear from you, please. If you haven't already, subscribe. Again, we want to make sure that you continue to keep a finger on the pulse of what's going on. That's what we're bringing to you on a daily basis. And if you have ideas for stories, comment below. If you heard something that got the wheels in your mind turning, comment below. Ultimately, sharing is caring, so make sure that you're socializing what you're learning with your friends, family, loved ones, etc., so that they know, too, to not spend their Satoshis on movie tickets.
Yeah, all right. If you want to hit us up direct, you can do so. Just producer@revernetworks.com, and also hit me up on Twitter @Paul Barron. Catch you next time right here on TechPath.